3D printing of human corneas to restore people's vision to fill the shortage of transplant tissue has begun. When we think of 3D printing, we think of usually something students do in STEM classes, but it's also been used to make machine parts, even prototyping industrial robots, even cars, even food, jewelry, turbines for transportation, even metal bridges, the latest being in Amsterdam. But this has to do with cornea transplants. Doctors have used the stem cells of one person in order to increase their productivity in the lab, and from that tissue they will then 3D print corneas for other people. When we think of corneas that have to be replaced, it has to do with people that have had scarring or something having to do with surgeries gone wrong. And usually the tissue is taken from a recently deceased patient, from organ donors after death. But this is a type of technologies one donor cornea tissue gives to create hundreds of implants through laboratory cultures and 3D printing, which is the bioprinting of the cornea. The technology was created by an Israeli regenerative medicine company based in North Carolina, and it's called Precise Bio. The transparent layered structure seems to be healthy and a natural cornea, and this, of course, technology can reduce the scarcity of donor corneas, as we know, worldwide. This is what the company aims to do. They have early trials going on, known as phase 1 trials, and they're underway to ascertain the technique's safety in human patients. This is unbelievably good, obviously. This is from Live Science. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.